Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In Settings, scroll down to Access Apps and Services. Then tap on Default Apps and select one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one in order to apply it, and select Change in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!